Have you ever wondered what lies beyond our own solar system? What unusual and extraordinary planets exist in the vast expanse of the universe? Welcome to our interstellar journey, where we'll venture beyond the confines of our familiar neighborhood of planets and stars. Today, we're setting our sights on the extraordinary, the planets beyond our solar system that challenge everything we thought we knew about what a planet could be. These celestial bodies, known as exoplanets, exist outside the gravitational pull of our sun. They orbit around other stars in the galaxy, and some are so unusual that they seem as if they've been plucked straight out of a science fiction novel. The concept of exoplanets has been around for decades, but it was only in the late 20th century that we had the technology to confirm their existence. And since then, it has been an exhilarating ride. The first exoplanet orbiting a sun-like star was discovered in 1995. Fast forward to today, and we have identified over 4,000 of these distant worlds. The sheer variety of exoplanets is mind-boggling, from gas giants larger than Jupiter to rocky worlds smaller than Earth. From planets scorching hot with molten surfaces to worlds icy and cold beyond imagination. Each discovery brings with it new possibilities and further questions about the nature of our universe. Among these numerous discoveries, there are some that stand out as exceptionally peculiar. Planets that are so unique, so contrary to our understanding, that they redefine the very concept of what a planet can be. Planets that are not just unusual, but downright alien. These are the worlds we will be exploring today. From planets made of diamond to those that rain glass sideways, from planets that are pitch black to those that glow with their own light. These are the universe's most unusual planets, the extraordinary worlds that challenge our understanding of what a planet should be. So buckle up and prepare for a journey like no other. We're about to venture into the unknown to explore the fascinating and the bizarre. Let's dive in and explore some of the most unusual planets that defy our understanding of what a planet should be. Imagine a planet where it literally rains diamonds. Meet 55 Cancri e. Tucked away in the constellation of Cancer, some 40 light-years from Earth, lies a fascinating planet called 55 Cancri e. This isn't your average rocky sphere orbiting a distant star. Oh no, this is a planet that's quite literally a diamond in the rough, or rather in the universe. 55 Cancri e is a super-Earth, about twice the size of our home planet and 8 times as massive. But what sets it apart is its composition. This glittering globe is believed to be made up largely of carbon and iron, with a significant portion of that carbon thought to be in the form of diamond. Yes, you heard it right. A diamond core that's potentially a third of the planet's mass, making it a gemstone behemoth unlike anything we've ever seen. But how does such a diamond-rich planet come to be? It all comes down to pressure. The intense pressure and high temperatures on 55 Cancri e are perfect for transforming carbon into diamond. The pressure comes from the planet's own mass pressing inwards, while the heat is supplied by not only the planet's core, but also its close proximity to its parent star, which it orbits in a mere 18 hours. Now, about that diamond rain. On 55 Cancri e, the extreme heat and pressure conditions would cause the carbon in the atmosphere to crystallize into diamonds. These diamonds would then fall like rain, adding to the planet's already substantial diamond content. But before you start planning your diamond hunting expedition, it's worth noting that 55 Cancri e is not a welcoming place. With surface temperatures reaching nearly 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit, it's a far cry from a tropical paradise. The planet's scorching climate, coupled with the intense gravitational force, would make survival impossible for any known life form. So there you have it, 55 Cancri e, a planet of unimaginable wealth and equally unimaginable extremes, a testament to the wondrous and diverse nature of our universe. Moving on from a planet that could make you unimaginably wealthy to a planet that is anything but hospitable. Welcome to WASP-12b, a place where you'd be vaporized before you even landed. WASP-12b is a gas giant exoplanet located approximately 1,400 light-years away from us, in the constellation Auriga. It is a celestial body of extremes, its most notable characteristic being its scorching temperature. Imagine a world where the heat is so intense that it makes our sun feel like a gentle spring day. This is WASP-12b. A planet where the average daytime temperature soars to more than 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's over 2,000 degrees Celsius. This extreme heat is due to its incredibly close orbit to its star, WASP-12. The planet is so close, in fact, that it completes an orbit in just over one Earth day. Now, if you're picturing a round Jupiter-like planet, think again. WASP-12b is more of an egg shape. The tidal forces of the close proximity to its star have stretched and distorted it. It's this unusual shape combined with its extreme temperature that led to WASP-12b's nickname, Hot Jupiter. But why Jupiter? Well, WASP-12b is a gas giant like Jupiter, but with a twist. It's much hotter and more massive. The term hot Jupiter is used to describe a class of exoplanets that share similar characteristics with WASP-12b, gas giants that orbit very close to their stars, leading to high surface temperatures. But there's another reason why WASP-12b is called a hot Jupiter. It's not just hot in temperature, it's also hot in terms of scientific interest. The extreme conditions on WASP-12b provide a unique opportunity for scientists to study the atmospheres of exoplanets under extreme conditions, contributing valuable data to our understanding of these distant worlds. So, WASP-12b, a planet of fiery temperatures, a close orbit to its star, and an unusual egg-like shape. A world that's as fascinating as it is inhospitable, and one that continues to intrigue scientists with its extreme nature. From a planet that's too hot to handle, let's cool down with a planet that's in a perpetual winter. Next stop, Gliese 436b, a planet covered in hot ice. Yes, you heard it right, hot ice. Now you're probably scratching your head and wondering, how does that work? Well, let's dive into the peculiarities of Gliese 436b to find out. Gliese 436b is an exoplanet located about 33 light-years away from us in the constellation Leo. It's a Neptune-sized planet that orbits its star at a surprisingly close distance, much closer than Mercury orbits our Sun. Now, with this close proximity to its star, you'd expect the planet to be a blazing inferno. But here's where things get interesting. Despite its close orbit, Gliese 436b has a surface covered in ice. But not just any ice, this is hot ice, also known as Ice X. This is a state of water that exists under extreme pressure and temperature conditions. Imagine the pressure at the bottom of our deepest oceans and then multiply it. That's the kind of pressure we're talking about. Under these conditions, water molecules come together to form a compact, crystalline structure that remains solid despite high temperatures, hence the term hot ice. What's even more fascinating about Gliese 436b is its temperature. It's estimated to be around 800 degrees Fahrenheit. At such temperatures, any ice we're familiar with would have long since evaporated, but not on Gliese 436b. Here the immense gravitational pressure keeps the ice in a solid state, even under extreme heat. So we have a planet that's incredibly close to its star, hot enough to melt lead, yet covered in ice. Quite the paradox, isn't it? Gliese 436b is a perfect example of the strange and diverse worlds that exist beyond our own solar system. These unusual planets challenge our understanding of what a planet can be. But what does this mean for us? Well, every discovery like this broadens our perspective and deepens our understanding of the universe. It reminds us that the cosmos is far more varied and surprising than we could ever imagine. And who knows? Maybe one day, we might even discover a planet that's not so different from our own. The discovery of these unusual planets not only expands our knowledge of the universe but also raises intriguing possibilities. As we delve into the depths of the cosmos, the study of these oddball celestial bodies is of paramount importance. These peculiar planets offer a fascinating glimpse into the extraordinary diversity of the universe, challenging our understanding and pushing the boundaries of science. With each unusual planet we uncover, we inch closer to answering one of humanity's most profound questions. Are we alone in the universe? Planets like Gliese 436b, with its exotic ice, or 55 Cancri e, sparkling with potential diamond reserves, may not be hospitable for life as we know it. Yet, their very existence prompts us to reconsider our definition of life, nudging us to think outside our earthly box. Beyond the quest for extraterrestrial life, these unusual planets also present a treasure trove of resources. Imagine a future where we could mine diamonds from 55 Cancri e, or harness energy from WASP-12b's scorching temperatures. While these ideas may sound like science fiction today, studying these unique planets could open the door to such possibilities, reshaping our future in space. Moreover, these unusual planets are a testament to the incredible complexity and vastness of the universe. They continue to challenge our theories and assumptions, driving scientific innovation. As we strive to understand these celestial oddities, we inevitably refine our knowledge of planetary formation, celestial physics, and the fundamental laws that govern the universe. These mysterious and extraordinary planets remind us that the universe is full of wonders waiting to be discovered, so keep looking up and keep wondering. Until next time.